Do you have short torso and you're unsure how to dress your body shape? In today's video, I'm going to share with you styling tips for those of you who are shorter-waisted. I'm going to share with you practical tips how you can create new balance in your body, new visual proportion in your body, that you don't need to worry anymore how short-waisted you are. Hi lovely ladies, if we haven't met yet, I'm Yifat, a fashion designer and a personal styling coach. In my channel, I'm sharing with you practical tips to help you find confidence in your style again, to help you feel at your best every single day. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're interested in this topic, hit the subscribe button and the bell so be notified every time I post a new video. I believe that if you're watching this video, it means that you are short-waisted, which is mean that you have short torso, short upper body, and you don't have so much space between your waist and your chest. I want to thank you, Degnolia, I hope I pronounced your name correctly, who asked me in my previous video, which I post how to dress if you have a long torso. You asked me how to dress your body shape if you have short torso. Thank you for that, and I want to point this out for you, for who watching right now, that if you have questions or topics that you like to learn more, please write me in the comment below and I will consider it putting in my future videos. So that being said, let's jump into it. So one of the first tips that I like to share with you is to wear a mid-rise jeans or pants. Because if you will wear high-waist jeans or pants, what will happen? You will have less space between your waist and your chest area, and we don't want it, right? We want to elongate your upper body. So by wearing mid-rise, it's really wonderful because again, you elongate your upper body, and that's what we want. So the sweet spot is to have mid-high waist jeans. You want to check if you're buying online or even at the store that you have about 8 to 9 inches high waist, and this is really great for you, and again it will help you to elongate your upper body. Second tip, you want to wear a scoop or V-neck blouse if you are short-waisted, because again you want to elongate your upper body, and by wearing a V-neck, what it's nice, you create a new balance, a new proportion in your upper body, and it's instantly elongating your torso. Also, when you have short waist, you don't want to tuck your blouse inside your pants, because when you do it, what's happened, it's define your waist, and when it's define your waist, just give attention to your waist, and we don't want to do it, right? We just want to create a new proportion in your body. So what do you want to do instead? Leave the blouse outside of your pants, and by doing that, it will elongate your torso, your upper body, and it just look beautiful. The other thing that you can do, if you like to tuck the shirt inside your pants, just tuck it halfway, right? So just a little bit, and again, by that way, it will create for you a longer upper body, and it will just look beautiful and very flattering on your body shape. Another great trick that you can do to elongate your upper body, so when you're wearing a V-neck blouse, what you want to do is to add a necklace, a pendant necklace into this outfit, into the blouse that you're wearing, the V-neck blouse, and what will happen, it will elongate your upper body, which is beautiful. It's very easy to do it, and it just, you can see the example when I'm wearing the blouse, how it's create new proportion in my body. The person who look at me, the attention of him look at me is in the area of my V-neck blouse, and it just elongates the torso, your upper body. Let's talk about dresses, ladies. So the first one that I will recommend for you to wear is a shift dress, because it doesn't have any definition of waist, and this will be great for you because again, if you wear a regular dress that it's define your waist, you put the attention there, and again your torso will look shorter. But when you're wearing a dress that don't have any definition for your waist, nobody will know where is your waist here, which is really great for you because again it will elongate your upper body, create rectangle shape in your body, and will look very flattering in your body shape. Another dress that I will suggest you to wear is drop waist dress. In drop waist dress, what is nice about the waist area is dropping down, and it's elongating my body shape. It's elongating the torso and will look very flattering on your body shape. This beautiful drop waist that I'm wearing, I bought it recently in Amazon and I really love it. I just love the colors. It's coming in so many colors. It's really inexpensive, and just you can dress it down, dress it up, and I like it because I can wear it as well in the summer, as well I can wear it in the fall and even into the winter, which I'll share with you in my upcoming video how you can wear short sleeve even in the winter, layering in a smart way. So anyway, if you like to check this beautiful dress out, I will share the link below with you. Let's talk about belts. If you are short-waisted, you don't want to wear thick belts, okay? Because what will happen again, it will define your waist even more, and as well it's create shorter space between your waist and your chest, right? So it's not something that you like to do. Instead, if you really enjoy wearing belts, because belt is really fun accessory, just I will suggest for you to wear 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch maximum. That way you will have more space between your waist area and your chest area. Another way to elongate your body shape is to wear a monochrome or to wear the same skin colors tones, because again it will create a rectangle shape in your body shape, and that's what we want to do, right? We want to elongate your torso, to elongate your body shape. Look how beautiful the monochrome outfit look. It's look nice and stylish. I like how it's create a new balance, new proportion in the body, as it's create a rectangle shape and it doesn't define so much the waist. So this is really, really great for women that have short waist torso. In general, I really highly recommend to wear duster for all body shape. It just flattering on any woman that will put it. It doesn't matter which body shape you have. I love the new duster that I bought as well. I bought it in Amazon recently and it just looks so beautiful, because you can wear any basic clothing like jeans and a shirt, whatever it is, and when you add the duster on top of it, it just elevates your look. Just you look way more chic and stylish, and I love it. I will share with you as well the link down below if you like to check it. What is nice about this duster, you can order in Amazon in different colors, which is awesome. I just ordered this duster as well in kind of royal blue, which is so beautiful, and I can't wait until it's arrived. And the last tip of today, you want to wear longer jacket instead of wearing crop jacket, because you want to elongate your torso. If you wear a jacket that is just below your hip area, it will look very flattering again, because it will elongate your upper body. If you want to find out what the essential pieces to have in your wardrobe, then you want to check my must have in your wardrobe list in the link below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you like to see more of it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share with your friend, spread the word. I really appreciate it, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.